Shoulder white as well.
Yeah, all like my chest, everything. My arsehole's black though. Aman is still with us. Aman
You're tanning mad, Joe.
Hey? I know, bro.
Golden brown, yeah.
Look at that one there.
Fucking
why, bro?
right.
Even my fucking legs, bro. They go white.
There's about 3 different shades now.
Indigo Production.
Welcome back to the next video. So today I'm just going to show you how to remove the back number plate lights. Okay, all you're going to need is an Allen key. Aman is still with us. Aman all you're going to need is an Allen key, right? And see this here, get a zoom in there, Jeff. These aren't like normal ones like the Beamers or the thingy. You need to put like a needle or an Allen key right in there, and I'll show you what I'm doing. Pretty much you're pushing in the metal clip. Come on man. You're pushing in. You piece
Well,
of
better before you start recording.
yeah, fucking nonsense. There we go. So see what I'm doing here, Joe? I'm literally pushing this inwards, and then the whole thing will just come out. And just like that, and then you just unclip it. Unclip that. And then put whatever bulb you want. We just put an LED one in there. That's it.
You know what I mean?
Easy as that, mate. Beautiful that was.
You're tanning mad, Joe.
Hey? I know, bro.
Golden brown, yeah.
Look at that one there.
Fucking
why, bro?
right.
Even my fucking legs, bro. They go white.
There's about 3 different shades now.
Your shoulder white as well.
Yeah, all like my chest, everything. My arsehole's black though. And that's that. Easy as that.